ecology and economy are both rooted in the word oikos, which means home. But it doesn't mean home only as our particular homes, but managing the household is a very big part of it, but also our home as the earth, our common home. Ecology is science of how the household works. Economy is the management system. So of course, clearly knowledge comes first. Management is based on knowledge. When economy starts to dominate, ignoring ecology, two things start to happen. Ecosystems, earth, biodiversity, climate change, all these sort of consequences of economy working outside the laws of ecology. And the second thing that starts to happen is fictitious measures are created to make it look like the economy is growing. But what's happening is money is growing in the hands of a few people. And that's why I wrote a book called Oneness versus 1%. The economy is not growing because the household isn't growing. Our rivers are not healthy, our forests are disappearing, land is desertified, and the climate is destabilized. So a non-sustainable economy makes non-sustainable ecologies, and non-sustainable ecologies undermine anything called economy. In one storm, an entire economy can be wiped out. I watched with climate change. Every climate disaster costs India $45 billion each time. So the color green is the color of forest, the color of the leaf, the color of a plant, and the color green is also this. So a green economy centered on this will further destroy the earth, further destroy democracy, further destroy people's lives and livelihoods. But if we look at the green economy as the economy of nature, economy of the earth, economy of people that sustains people's basic needs of food, of water, of clean air, jobs, then that green economy, every country has a place in it. Otherwise, the country that makes this piece of paper will make more money out of the green economy. Green can be the green color of life, and those green economies will make everything better. But when the color green is the color of greed, which is also called green, then it will make everything worse for most people except for the 1%. How we treat the earth makes earth and society either resilient or vulnerable. The earthquake itself triggers a problem, but you can have resilience in your building, or you can have vulnerability in your building. You can have a climate disaster. Your seeds can be climate resilient, so they survive, or there'll be chemical varieties that don't survive. Or in my region, you can have a huge climate disaster, but you've been building roads everywhere, you've been blasting the mountains for dams, and it takes one rainfall to make the entire mountain collapse. So definitely, impact of disasters is increased by how we treat the land.